With baby Noah's back, with a giggle and crawl, sneaked out again through the hole in the wall. Teddy in hand and his bottle in tow. Where will he wander? Nobody knows. Oh, watch him go through the park, past the ice cream show. Climbing, sliding, rolling free. The world's a playground, can't you see? Chased a duck, then hugged a pup. Tried on shoes at the dress-up shop. He danced on a fountain, splashed with glee. Then zoomed in a cart down aisle 3. Oh, laugh and shout, it's baby Noah's big day out. From malls to markets, he zooms around. Everywhere he goes, fun is found. Flew in balloons, rode a toy train, tickled a lion's tail, then ran again. He wore a chef's hat, baked some dough, made cupcakes fly like a pastry show. And the grown-ups chase, he's quick and sly, waving and giggling as they rush by. With every step, the world's brand new, full of colors, sounds, and things to do. And the grown-ups chase, he's quick and sly, waving and giggling as they rush by. With every step, the world's brand new, full of colors, sounds, and things to do. Hey, oh, hip hooray, what a wild and a wacky day. With fun and giggles all about, that's baby's big day out, no doubt. Tucked in bed with dreams so wide of all the places he'll soon ride. But wait till tomorrow, just wait and see. More adventures for baby Noah and me.